Hello viewers, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you today how to make black and white photo from your color photo. To do that, you have to go to image, then here is the tools called adjustments, then click on black and white here. So as you can see, the picture has been turned into black and white. Now you can use the tool to increase and reduce color option from here, like red, yellow, green, and so many here. And you can also change hue and situation also from the tool. And another option you may use to make your picture black and white. To do that, you have to go to image again, then you can use calculations tool here. So from calculation, you have to click on channel here. So from per channel, you may click on any channel as per your need of your photo. So I'm going to click on green here, and of course source 2 I'll click on red. Okay, then from blending you can choose any tools as per your need and to make your picture more professional. So I'm going to click on darker color here and okay. This is a very simple tutorial to make your picture black and white in a minute. Thank you very much guys for watching this tutorial. Hopefully this tutorial will help you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.